Let's practice this math skill question for the Navy Officer Candidate Test OAR. The question says here, if y equal 1/2 times x minus z, then what is the value of x? So what you have to do first in order to solve the problem, so you have to cross multiply. So let's do that in here. So you have 2y and then multiply x with everything in here, right? So that gives you sx minus sz. So now bring all this x in one side and then other things another side. Let's do that. So that gives you 2y plus sz equal to sx, right? Now divide everything by s. Divide this one by s, this one by s, that one by s. So if I like rewrite it, bring this side in left side, then that gives you x equal to y over s plus z. 2y over s plus z. So the correct answer is option A.